inside the old church we live in, I have made a paper mache forest. And back in the fall, it's paper mache birch trees. Back in the fall, we got the great idea. It was mine, I admit it. It was a great idea to bring in real branches with leaves on them. So I just took all the branches down, took all the leaves off except one. Martin and I have been sweeping and cleaning, and we're getting this unleafed, but we're letting the branches up. And some of the branches, I have been doing some other things with them, just putting them around the church in different places. I love how it's looking. And if you've ever read any O. Henry, I left one little leaf on down there on purpose. And then up here, I just discovered there's one little leaf left on here. I think they look beautiful on here. They're my one of my favorite things, and I will next fall. I will definitely bring in real branches again. We're gonna actually be burning these, and we have a biomass stove. We're gonna be burning these later. Oh, why aren't these lit? I must have unplugged them accidentally. There's a little strand here that are out. I love how the branches look here in the church. And it's not quite dark enough to see in here yet, but look how the branches cast the shadows on the ceiling. So down here on this one, we're still sweeping and vacuuming the floors. I'm gonna change the tablecloths. Come springtime, I'm gonna make pretend cherry tree blossom branches to put on there. And you can see that it's not a real birch tree, paper mache, but up there, that's a real hornet's nest. Not active anymore. And I just love how the branches up there make the shadows on the ceiling. It makes me so happy. These are tall. Some of them are about 20 feet tall up there. The top part, those branches are not paper mache. The bottom part, the trunks, oops, there's a leaf I did not sweep off a chair. The bottom part of the trunks, look at that leaf, but it's going into the burn situation. The bottom part of this was a metal canopy frame that was old and decrepit. This bottom part is paper mache. Paper mache, paper mache. And then the top part is real branches and twigs. And of course, because I love doing stuff with branches, I did manage to save a whole pot of them here, whole vase. Sorry, I'm gonna get your Alexa to do something right now. Alexa, turn on teacup. Alexa, turn on teacup. She's not listening. Martin, would you?
Alexa, turn on teacup.
Okay.
She listened to him. Hooray. I put a branch up there. I love it. That little area is called Teacup because our little tea center's there, but I still have lots of little branches to use for the spring, and they're gonna get cherry blossoms put on them. Now, just to finish vacuuming and cleaning, and probably gonna wait until after January to take our trees down, January 1st. We have a couple of trees up, but this is my paper mache birch tree forest. And I did make paper mache little fungus and stuff on it too. I'm gonna be doing one really soon because I have some more rolls and tubes and things that I'm gonna use, but this is just paper around an old canopy frame that the top got ruined on. That's how we're spending Christmas 2022. And Martin, you're cooking dinner, yes?
Yeah,
What you doing down there?
what?
What you doing down there?
Brussels sprouts, carrots.
Come closer. I can't hear you.
the oven. It's Brussels sprouts.
Closer, closer.
Brussels sprouts, carrots, onion, a vegetarian sausage and vegetarian chicken.
Oh,
I don't know
yummy.
what it'll be like, and I'm doing roasted potatoes in the oven.
Are you gonna
Parboiled and then covered them in butter and stuck them in the oven.
make Yorkshire pudding, or
Oh, I forgot about that.
are you doing Yorkshire puddings for us?
Yeah, I'll have to do that after.
Hooray! Thank you, honey. So Merry Christmas from our house to yours. Morton, got a Merry Christmas for us?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.